Hey guys, it's Miss Adams, and today we're going to look at 6B.4, solving by square roots. So the first thing we're going to do is look at this warm-up. It says to simplify. So we're given 2 times the square root of 5 plus 4 plus the square root of 45. And 2 times the square root of 5, that is in its simplest form, but then we have the square root of 45. 45 can break down into 1 times 45 and 5 times 9, with 9 being a perfect square. So I can rewrite the square root of 45 as the square root of 9 times the square root of 5. And we know that the square root of 9 is 3 times the square root of 5. So now, if I rewrite this equation, we have 2 times the square root of 5 plus 3 times the square root of 5. So we combine their coefficients since they have the same radicand, and we have 5 square root of 5. Now let's look at problem 2. It says label equations as standard, intercept, or vertex form. The first one we have has our 2 parenthetical expressions. So it has a multiplied by x minus p multiplied by x minus q. So that is our intercept form. The next is just in standard form because you have ax squared plus bx plus c. And the last one, a multiplied by x minus h squared plus k, is our vertex form. Now let's look at problem 3. It says simplify 6 squared. Well, that's the same thing as saying 6 times 6, which gives us 36. Then it asks us to do negative 6 squared. So that's negative 6 times negative 6. A negative times a negative is a positive, so this is also positive 36. Then it asks us to solve for x. So it gives us x squared equals 36. So we're going to take the square root of both sides. Well, I know that the square root of x squared gives us x. And I know that 6 squared is 36. So that's going to be one of my solutions. But I also know that negative 6 squared is 36. So therefore my 2 solutions for this, for x, are x equals 6 and x equals negative 6. Notice if you want to figure out how many solutions you should have, look at your exponential value. We have x squared, so it's to the second power. So we should have 2 answers for x. X is positive 6 and x is negative 6. All right, stay tuned for the rest of the video.